for celebration. It's a day for giving to the poor. It's a day for giving back to society. It's a day for talking about tolerance and acceptance. But first, we come and we pray to God to ask for His blessings upon our communities. And that's why I wanted to be here with you this morning. I also want to say that on a political front as well, I have joined the Muslim community on many occasions. I have joined the Muslim community when they were under attack from many who should not be attacking our Muslim community. And I held a sign which said, "I am Muslim too." Now, I am not Muslim, I am Christian, but I identify with my Muslim brothers and sisters to say, welcome to you, welcome to Jackson Heights, and welcome to the United States and to this community in general. Eid Mubarak, Salaam Alaikum. Thank you very, very much for allowing me to speak.
আমরা এখনই দোয়া হবে, আমরা দুরূদ শরীফ পড়ে এখনই দোয়া হবে। আমরা যারা দাঁড়িয়ে আছি একটু বসে সর্বশেষ দোয়া করে যে আল্লাহ পাকের কাছে নিজের আকুতি এবং মিনিট